Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to check if your iPhone 17, the 17 Pro or the 17 Pro Max is original or not. To do that, just open the Safari web browser, then in the search bar, just search this. Then open this website. And from here, just select your region. After you select your region, now in this section, just enter the serial number of your iPhone. To get the serial number of your iPhone, just go to your home screen and open Settings. Then tap on General, and from here just tap on About. Now over here you will find the serial number of your iPhone. Now just tap and hold on the serial number and select Copy. Then go back to the website and paste the copied serial number over here. After you paste the copied serial number in this section, in this box just type the given text over here. After you do that, then tap on Submit. If the website recognizes your iPhone and if it gives you the purchase date and the coverage, this means that your iPhone is original. And this is how you can check if your iPhone 17, 17 Pro or the 17 Pro Max is original or not. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.